You know, one thing that puts a damper on you using lotion when it comes in a pump, and you've had it a while, is when the pump breaks. Today we shall discuss how to fix a broken lotion pump. It's a little extreme. This is duct tape, but I'm gonna show you some ways to work around in case you don't want to use the duct tape method, which is what I've been doing. Well, the backstory here is that this is honey lotion from Victoria's Secrets. It's probably really wildly popular, maybe not as much, because they've since launched several other variations of this lotion, but it's still holding on. 2 years going strong. Now, if you want to know how to best store your lotion where you could do the same, maybe you also like getting more bang for your buck, its quality's not been affected at all either, I will link you to that video at the end of this one. Bam. A few short months ago this year, it was either close to the 2-year mark or nearing the 2-year mark or after. Pumping the lotion. If you notice something is missing, I'm gonna take this off for you to see. Here, there's a cap that's supposed to go on there. It's for aesthetics, but it's also for to make sure you're not able to just do this. Yeah. I was just holding it and it popped. The bottle dropped. And if this cap, which is attached to the rest of this pump, had not been on it, the remaining lotion would have splattered. What I have been doing, I want to show you the method that isn't duct tape. I use it as it is, but I just keep it near me or keep it in a place where I know it's up high on a shelf. I'm making sure to put it on the forefront and put it on rotation within my other hygiene products, just so that I use this up first. Then I won't have to deal with the bottle or the broken pump at all. And you just use it very carefully. I'm sitting down, or if you're standing, use it in a way where you could still utilize the pump, like what you guys are literally seeing me do real time, and continue to store in a place where it will not fall and become susceptible to falling on hard surfaces. Store it up high on a shelf, and don't put it at the edge of the shelf either. When it fell and it had that fatal fall that ultimately popped that middle cap off, and now so we left with this. And that's what I've been doing. Also, if you don't have hard floors, or if you have certain spaces within your house that have carpets, plush area rugs, y'all know the one I'm talking about. We can just, it feels like faux fur. Use it like that, or just make sure you're not wasting the lotion on the plush rug, or you're gonna have to clean up 2 and 3 messes. The lotion from the rug, and then you're gonna have to clean the rug of whatever residue is left, and use, come on, the vacuum powder, sprinkle it in, or shampoo the, come on. You use it only when you're sitting on an area rug, standing on an area rug, to prevent you from, because if you use it on a hard surface floor, wherever area of the house you have in, you don't want to slip and fall and bust your behind like, oh, I slipped and fell on lotion. Come on. Now, if you don't want to go through all that, you like, I don't feel like going through that. I want to be able to use this lotion standing on a hardwood floor or whatever your floor is made out of. Okay, you need duct tape. Okay, head to the hardware store, or the hardware section of any of your normal department, regular stores. Yeah, bam. Into I've been thinking about doing it for a long time, and then when I was messing with it today, and it fell when I was just holding it solely from the pump, thinking, okay, as long as I have the top on it, it's fine. This is going to secure it in place. I'm doing this real time so y'all can see. So if you ain't got nails, delicately use a pair of scissors so you can get this up in order to get that duct tape rolling, and then off to your bottle. Real time, y'all, real time. you want to use your duct tape and match it to the length at which the pump, what it is. Start on either side. Now, if the length of your pump is higher than this, because at this point, when a lotion pump is broken, I'm just hoping that if it breaks, it breaks and it's broken in a position where it stays up, if you know what I mean. And you want to work that duct tape. See, this is what I hate when it happens, when it sticks to itself. You want to work that duct tape around a couple rounds until that pump begins to feel sturdy. So no matter how many times you pump it out of there, you could hold it by this, which I don't recommend. Literally, it's about second time today. You won't have that incident. Let me grab a piece of scissors. Lord, I said a piece of scissors. A pair, woman. Now I'm back. I measured out a predetermined amount that I feel like will hold this sturdy. And this is not lock it in place where you can never push it down. I'm gonna show you how to do that. No, wrong side, hold on. You wanna do this in a way where you don't have the incident I just had, where the tape sticks to itself while you're trying to use it to secure the pump, the top of the pump, to the rest of the pump. Now, this don't look cute unless you want to get other shades of duct tape, and this is literally all I had. But you can make it really decorative, and you see how it looks like. You could literally fill that up with tape and fill it up that way and make it like the pump has always been like this, and use maybe, because they have glittery, probably have glittery shades of duct tape. Gold is coming to mind since, you know, gold is the aesthetic here for the original honey lotion line. And now it's pretty sturdy. The only thing is it's moving funky. So as I'm pushing it down here, it's just making sure that there's some leeway to you pumping the lotion. Okay, so ultimately this is do I call it a fail? Go with the original method I came up with until I can figure out how to wing this duct tape method. And I like including my mistakes in videos because I want y'all to see what I'm really going through that you guys may encounter. If you'd like to see more videos like this, where I go over hygiene basics, body care basics, and the like, all related to those things. On either side is going to be a playlist for you all to enjoy. And you'll be hearing from me once I figure out how to get this lotion pumped out with the duct tape on. Because if not, we'll see. Stay tuned. Love you. When I think about love, it's one of the bravest things that you can do. It is patient. It is kind. It does not envy or boast. And it'll keep you on the coast of not being rude or self-seeking. Nor is it easily angered or seething mad. And it keeps no records of wrongs. It has no pleasure in evil, but it rejoices in the truth. And most of all,